here with Foundation Repair of Western Colorado. I wanted to take a few minutes to show you through our home so you could see some of the issues that we have discovered with the foundation. Some of the signs that we look for are where the floor actually pulls away from the wall. Here's a good example of it right here. You can see the space between the carpet and the baseboard. That's an indication that the floor and the wall are separating. Another sign that we look for is the fit of a door. If you'll notice on this side, we have a large crack, number one, but number two, we have a narrow margin, and then it gets quite wide when it gets over to this side, indicating that the hinge side of the door has settled and dropped down. That could be a simple problem with just interior supports, but it also can be a sign of a major foundation issue. Here we have a door that has the opposite side having a problem. Notice right here, this is a very tight margin. This door has not operated for several years. And as it comes over this side, you can see that it's opened up and has the normal margin. Also, we see the crack. Those are very definite signs of foundation issues. And we, of course, noticed that when we first looked at this home. Windows and doors seem to be the shock absorber of a house. So you'll oftentimes see cracks running away at generally a 45-degree angle or some angle away from the windows and doors. This happens to be a window, but it certainly expresses the problems that you can see in a foundation issue. We have many tools that we use to fix various issues with foundations. One of the tools is a push pier, and we're looking at one right now. This pier has been pushed, has a bracket in place. We will cut it off to the right height, and then we'll put a lift cylinder on the pier and literally pick the house right out of the ground, and it will become a repaired foundation when we do that around the rest of the affected area. It's not uncommon to see cracks on the inside and the outside. The crack we looked at on the door that hasn't operated for several years on the inside, this is what it looks like on the outside. And of course you can see the accompanying crack running off to the side. Some of the new technology we're just discovering is this little machine right here. We use it to drill right through the center of our piers. If we can't get to the stable zone, we will have to drill through our piers and then push it on down to a stable position. Thank you for taking a little time today to allow me to show you some of the signs that we look for that indicate there's a possible foundation issue. It's important when you're selecting a contractor to repair your foundation that they use permanent engineered solutions. Give you a 25-year warranty, make sure that they're licensed and that they have insurance. Regardless of the issues with your home, we know that we have the resources, the professionalism, and the knowledge to repair any home.